Hello everyone. Today I want to show a property in Sumo, how to actually model motorcycle in Sumo. I will show two property here. One is lane filtering and queue jumping property of motorcycle. Uh, so this is the intersection I created in the Sumo. You can see. So what I will do is I will assign lane filtering using lane filtering of motorcycle using lane resolution, sub lane resolution, and also use queue jumping using stop line before. So firstly, I want to go to the process, then go to Sumo option. In the Sumo option, under the Sumo, we can see the processing. Clicking the processing, we can see the lateral resolution is -1. Here for motorcycle, we have to assign 0.7 so that motorcycle can move in between two lane. There are sublane behavior for motorcycle. Actually, I assign lateral resolution 0.7 for all type of vehicle, but since motorcycle are smaller size, they will do this property mode. Then click the accept. So save it. Now what I have to do, I have to go to the inspection mode, and within the inspection mode I have to select the approach, and in the approach, after selecting the approach, in the stop offset option, assign 5, that is 5 meter, and stop exception only we have to select motorcycle, that motorcycle will not stop 5 meter before the intersection. So clicking the motorcycle, different types of motorcycle here, accept. Similarly, I can do it for other approaches. Here again, clicking the other approaches, stop offset is 5 meter, then exception is motorcycle, clicking the motorcycle, okay. Then again do this thing for other approaches, and clicking it, the motorcycle will stop 5 meter ahead. Uh, then again stop option 5 meter, and exception is motorcycle, and mop we can assign only motorcycle also. Now their motorcycle will do queue jumping and lane filtering both behavior. Now save the whole process. Now we can run and see the simulation. If we go to edit, then open in Sumo. Actually here we have to upload the demand first. Go to file, then demand element, load demand element, route file. We have to upload the root file. Then again go to the edit, open in Sumo GUI, make delay 100. Then from drop down select the real world. Now run this simulation. We can see that the motorcycle is actually moving in between two lanes, one thing, and also motorcycle are queuing just ahead of cars in the intersection. We can see this property. So this is all about. I am showing two property actually here. One is motorcycle is filtering, and there is sublane behavior, motorcycle occupying multiple lanes. No, not say different motorcycles occupy multiple lanes, and motorcycle are doing queue jumping. We can see the queue jumping here. If we look at the intersection, we can see the motorcycle are behaving like real world scenario. So that's it all about that I want to show here. Thank you so much for watching my video.